Just got this neat 2-in-1 bench for our backyard. Got yourself one too? We'll show you how to assemble your converter bench with this easy-to-follow guide. Let's get started. We'll start with the bottom half of the bench using these following pieces. Start with one leg piece. You'll notice there's 3 slots up top. That's where the plank pieces will go. You'll be working with 2 large planks and 1 small plank for the bottom half of the bench. Insert the 3 planks one at a time into the slot openings on the leg piece, matching up the sizing. Next, insert the pre-drilled plank into the pre-drilled brace slot. Now take the other leg piece and match up the ends of the planks to the slot openings. Once all pieces are completely inserted, it's time to attach the included bolts to secure the planks in place. Insert the bolts into the pre-drilled holes and attach the nuts to the ends. Grab a screwdriver and wrench to assist with tightening. You want the bolts secure but do not over-tighten. Make sure you attach all bolts to the other end as well. After all the bolts are in place, it's time to insert the 3 included support brace pieces. Simply slide the brace sideways between the pre-drilled plank and bench seat, then rotate to wedge into place. Make sure to space all 3 braces evenly below the bench seat. Now, we'll start assembling the top half of the bench using the following pieces. Start with one of the armrest pieces. Similar to the legs, you'll notice 3 slot openings here. You'll be working with 3 large plank pieces for this part of the bench. Insert the 3 planks one at a time, matching up to the slot openings on the armrest piece. Now take the other armrest piece and match up the ends of the planks to the slot openings. Check to ensure the planks are completely inserted. Now it's time to combine the two. With the bench upright, place the backrest on top, matching up the hinge slots on the bottom. Secure the 2 parts using the included plastic pins. Here we used a rubber mallet to assist and prevent damage to the vinyl. Test out the hinge connection once both plastic pins are securely inserted. You're all set. Now, wasn't that easy? Great space-saving option for your outdoor space. You can also make this a full picnic table by combining 2 of these benches back to back. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.